and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we have something awesome. It's Thursday, our new upload schedule. We're uploading videos every Tuesday, Thursday, with a live stream on the weekend. Click the bell so you don't miss anything. Tell the folks.
Okay, listen. Summer is here. Barbecue season is upon us. When you have a barbecue, you typically have beans. So, our
Baked
friend,
beans.
Yeah,
when Jackie calls you and is like, hey guys, can you bring over some baked beans? I got the meat. You bring the baked beans.
Yeah, Jackie and...
Yeah, Jackie. Go ahead, babe. Talk about the beans.
Anyways, our friend, Israel, actually taught me this recipe.
Yeah, this is
And I have taken it to new levels. So, we have a can of Bush's baked beans.
commercial beans.
Yeah.
And we're going to make them not so commercial. So let me tell you guys, this video is going to tell you how to take your commercial beans and make them epic.
Yeah, they're really good.
That's what you need.
Yeah.
You don't bring commercial beans to barbecues. It's time to learn how to take your commercial beans to the next level. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
And here we go!
So I like to use Bush's maple and cured bacon beans because they add more flavor. If you get the plain ones, then it takes more work. So this is actually going to add to our like candied beans. It's like pork and beans flavor. It's so good. These are the ingredients to level up your bean game. You're going to be a hit everywhere you go if you just follow this recipe. We have mustard, regular yellow mustard. We have barbecue sauce. We have brown sugar. We have about a pound of bacon. And we have the maple cured bacon beans. Okay, everybody should know how to cook bacon, so we're not recording this part, but you do want to get it a little bit crispy because that's what tastes better. If you are a floppy bacon fan, that's not going to work for this. You got to get it a little bit crispy. I'm going to cook this pound of bacon, so come on back and see what we've got.
All right, so while Babe is prepping the bacon for her epic bean recipe, that's the point of this video, I'm getting the Weber kettle fired up. We're gonna be doing some USDA Prime New York, some bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. We're gonna be doing some grilled asparagus. A lot of fun stuff on this nice weekend in Southern California.
Good. Mustard. About that much. It's probably about a quarter cup. Barbecue sauce, whatever kind you like. We're using Sweet Smoky Joe's Cypress Bayou. About a half a cup. Brown sugar. I like to use a generous handful. This looks like about a quarter of a cup to me. Okay. And then you add the bacon. I use my kitchen shears to just cut it up into little pieces, little slices. And again, we're doing a pound of bacon. Now, if you add an extra can of beans, you can add a little bit more bacon. We like more bacon in our beans. So obviously you can do it to scale. If you're looking to do it exactly, don't do 2 pounds of bacon for 2 cans of beans. Do maybe a pound and a half. Bush's baked beans, maple and cured bacon. I like it to be a little sweeter, so I use this one.
But you can use whatever beans you want.
Whatever you like. We have Heinz basic yellow mustard. We have a brown sugar. We have barbecue sauce. Use whatever barbecue sauce you really like. And that's my recipe. We're gonna mix it all together here.
How long do you let this simmer?
I let it go about a half an hour. It's gonna simmer about a half an hour. You can crock pot it. I think Israel taught us to crock pot it, and he did it for like a whole day, and it was fantastic. So it's really up to you. But I'm gonna do it right here about a half an hour on medium heat, get it simmering, and let it go. Oh yeah, those are gonna be good.